the Northern Wood Fur Trader. Let's get right into this video.
Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a little trick I have to hunting mourning doves. And this is a bird call that I've kind of maneuvered myself. So first you're going to take your left hand and take your right hand, put it like that, close it up, like that, put your thumbs right in there, hold it tight, make a small little gap, put your lips on the top and blow softly down till you get that sound. Then when you do that, you can open this part to make it go higher and squeeze it like that to make it lower. So alright, that's what it sounds like. I'll put a clip in for what an actual mourning dove sounds like. But to let you hear again, that's what it sounds like. And also with this trick you can do other little bird sounds. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna tell you. Alright, hold up.
Okay, so let's just cut that out. Keep going.
Just stop the video right now.